When you begin to have a great vision, you need to start testing people around you. Some of them are not needed. Let them go. Let me share this story. I don't know whether we have time. One of the names I'm called is the eagle. And one of those characteristics is that the eagle bird tests before it trusts. So when the female eagle has a male eagle trying to date and suit her, right? The female eagle picks a straw or a stick, right? And then flies so high and then throws it down for the male eagle to dive. And then the male eagle will dive down so fast, catch it, then bring it up to the female eagle. The female eagle will collect it, throw it down again, right? After she's satisfied in the test process, then now she can trust, and then they start raising family together. Of course, that test will now be needed when they need the baby eaglets to fly. Are we together now? So you need to raise new relationships that believe in your success, that are comfortable with your success, that are happy for you, that will see you succeed, and they are clapping and they are not in any way intimidated.